Today, May 8th, 18, we are at the ARQUSS exhibition stand at BSDA Romania. Mr. Emmanuel Levacher, the president of ARQUSS, thank you for this interview. ARQUSS intend to participate in the next tender organized by the Romanian Minister of National Defense for the purchase of light armored vehicles. The competition is tough. The competitors present high-performance vehicles that are compatible with NATO requirements. In your opinion, Mr. President, what are the advantages of ARQUSS over other competitors?
Yeah, thank you for the question. Yeah, indeed, we intend to participate and we intend to be a good competitor in this competition because we have a few advantages, we believe. First is on the product itself, because we believe this SHERPA we are sitting in is a very good product. It is battle proven. It is used by over the world by more than 20 countries, and also it is a family of products. So based on the same chassis, you have different versions, including this APC version, which, as you can see, offers a very large volume and transport capability which maybe some of our other competitors may not be able to match. So that's one first thing. Second thing, I think we believe we have also a very strong possibility to implement a local manufacturing of those products, and we are willing to share the technology with a Romanian partner, and also include some Romanian suppliers to provide systems and different parts, so that we really localize this production in Romania. You know, we have one model in our mind, which is the Renault Dacia model, and we hope we can become, you know, the Dacia of the armored vehicles in Romania. So that would be a very good achievement. And the third thing, which we think is also so important, is that we also have a very strong Franco-Romanian relationship with the deployment of the French battalion within NATO in Romania, and that is also a proof that you know, France can support politically, militarily, and with also a good display of the products which the French forces are using, which is also coming from ARQUSS. So this also shows that we can support also in time. We can have a long-term relationship with the country, and also somehow connected with the long-term involvement and engagement of the French forces, military forces, but also the French politics to develop a very strong relationship between the two countries. So that we believe it makes a big difference compared to some of our other competitors.
Okay. Does ARQUUS currently have industrial suppliers in Romania? Which are these Romanian companies, please?
Yes, we have a few already. And by the way, you are just sitting, where you are sitting is a seat which is equipping our vehicles already, which is produced in Romania. And we also have other parts and components suppliers. So we of course intend to develop this supply base. It's important also to notice that the group we belong to, which is the Volvo group, is very active in Romania. Is actually purchasing very large quantities of around 50 million euros of goods, which are sourced every year from Romania for the whole group. So we are somehow already involved in the Romanian industry.
What opportunities have you identified for enlargement of industrial cooperation in Romania? Are these opportunities conditional on winning the tender?
Well, that I cannot say because I don't know exactly the terms of the tender, because the RFQ has not been launched yet. We don't know, but definitely, even if there is no condition to that, we will do it because I think it is important, again, a commitment to the country. So we will expand this partnership. We have one idea, and which is more than an idea, but one potential partner from the military industry in Romania, which could be a very good base for the production of the vehicle in Romania. So this will, of course, be a key element in our global offer, for sure.
Thank you. Are there other countries that have expressed interest in SHERPA vehicles family?
Yes, definitely. We are ongoing. We have ongoing business with several countries which are already using the SHERPA. By the way, they want to buy back again, so it means they are happy with the product. We have such customers and countries, especially in the Middle East. We also have a current project with the French Army, because the French Army will be using the SHERPA for the Special Forces application. And we also have ongoing discussions in Europe with some countries, not very far from here, which also have shown a very strong interest in SHERPA in the different versions. So yes, the answer is yes, definitely.
Mr. President, how important is tradition to the future of ARQUUS?
That's a good question. I like the question, by the way, because we of course think always about the future, innovation, new products, but it's also very important to rely also on a very strong experience and history. So the tradition in terms of past history of what we have been doing for more than a century now, even since the First World War. Our ancestors like the Renault, the Berlier, the Panhard, they were already there, making trucks, making tanks, making armored vehicles. And we have been, following this history and this evolution throughout the 20th century and now in 21st century. So I think it's important to be able to rely on this past, to be proud of it, and also to have engineers who are, somehow in the line of what was done before. So I think this is important. But of course, it should not prevent us from also imagining some new solutions and being able to innovate. So we try to combine both. I like the idea of a balance between tradition and innovation. So we hope we have the right balance.
Mr. President, thank you for this interview.
Thank you.
Here in Bucharest, Romania, and Black Sea Defense and Aerospace at Romanian Banasa. Thank you very much.
Thank you.